Hello, my name is Alice in class 43 in Brandon Primary School. Today I'm going to introduce my favorite. My favorite is countryballs. If you don't know what it is, it's actually national flags, but they're drawn in circles. These are the pictures of my creations I made. First is my doodle. I really love the doodle. Next, the stickers. I made a bunch of them. Last but not least, many country balls. I really love them, but today I'm going to teach you how to make many country balls. After that video, I just showed you how I make country balls but mini by myself. It includes good ideas and some occasionally and learning. First, saving money. We can save our money and not buy plastic stuffs, and we don't need to waste our money. Secondly, we shouldn't buy plastic because it will make the environment a lot worse. It could affect the human body also. Instead, we should protect the environment. After that, we recycle things that are already used and we can make it into things that are very useful. Last but not least, we could help the environment better and happier than ever. In this video, I just shared what I like and how I protect the environment. I hope everyone can think of a way that could recycle things and that we can recycle things into things that are very useful, literally very useful. And we could know what to do. We could draw pictures like doodling and make stickers. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy. Bye.